Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'll be sharing several Christmas home decor DIYs. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. I'll be using a lot of leftover floral and greenery from previous DIYs that I didn't end up using, but most of them I got them from the Dollar Tree or from Walmart. First step, I just went ahead and added snow spray to all the greenery and floral. That way I can let it dry, and also went ahead and spray painted this glass vase with some metallic spray paint. To cover the glass vase, I went ahead and used some burlap ribbon that I got from Walmart for only $2. To give it a little more of a detail, I went ahead and added this cute red ribbon that I got from Walmart and just made a simple bow with it. To spray paint the beads, I just used a regular 97 cents white spray paint, and also I used the metallic spray paint to go over this cute jar. I'll be using this green pine mix from Walmart. It's only $3.47. I used the same one for my last video, but I fell in love with it. It looks so natural, so I went ahead and bought another one for this DIY. Next step, I just went ahead and went over it with some ivory chalk paint, and after it was done drying, I just went ahead and sanded it down. I also got this cute ribbon from Walmart. I just went ahead and added some on top of the milk jar, and also I'll be adding some twine with a cute little jingle bell. And to take off the shine from the jingle bell, I just went ahead and sanded it down so it could look a little more old and rustic. Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas to decorate your house for this coming up Christmas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It would mean so much to me, and that way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Other than that, I hope y'all have a great day and God bless.